fast food restaurant. What kind of restaurant?
Family restaurant.
Oh, I see. Yeah. So my full name, my name is John, but my full name is Jonathan. Jonathan. Yeah. Do you work at Jonathan?
Yeah, I work at Jonathan.
Really? Wow. So you work at my restaurant. Yeah. It's okay. It's a joke. It's a joke. No.
There will not be traffic accidents. There would not be traffic accidents. And one plus would be that it would become safe for children to play in roads.
Yes.
And what do you think about the drawback about this in this situation?
I think one drawback would be very inconvenient. So people always have to go to somewhere on foot, and using all bus or train rates is higher instead of cars, so it would be more crowded in the train.
Yeah, I think that's a really good point, Yoshimasa. Especially at the moment, because of the coronavirus. We are asked to social distance as much as possible. We really need ways to make the train less crowded, right? Not more crowded at the moment. Yeah, some big